Hi everybody, today we're going to see a Streamline, and this is Mary. She's the owner, and she's going to take us inside because it's a bit windy out here. All right, Mary, we're the Sisters on the Fly rally.
Okay, welcome. This is my 1967 Streamline. It's 19 feet long, and I call it the Prince, and that is actually what it is. It's considered the Prince. There's a princess. We also have a duke at home, and there's a duchess. Depends on how long it is. So this is not original, but that is my choice. This is how I like it. And
what was it like when you bought it? What condition was it in?
Well, we had metal cabinet right here. We had butcher block countertops, which were way heavy for the camper, we thought, plus they're a hassle to deal with, I thought. So we took those out, and also the butcher block, the table was also butcher block. So now the table looks just like this.
So this is a dinette here, and you have it down into a bed.
And when I'm traveling by myself, I just keep the dinette down, and I sleep there. But when I travel with my husband in this, then the dinette is up, and we put the couch down, so the couch will come down every night. So.
And what size bed is that when it's opened up?
It's a full. I would say it's a full because it's a 67. Do they even have queen size beds in 67?
I'm not sure.
I don't think so.
What are these little switches up here?
The ones, I'm not really sure what this is for anymore, but then of course that's electrical, and then this is, you can't see it because it's during the day, but we have lighting inside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then it has a bathroom, nice closet. Our 6 foot, almost 4 son. Oh, wait a minute, let me pick that up. 6'4" son can actually take a shower in here, and he feels quite comfortable in this camper. But anyway, so I take it.
Let me see.
Oh,
you have stuff in there.
Yeah, I have
okay.
stuff in there. So
All right, we'll skip that one. Okay.
Oh, thank you, I appreciate
it.
So
we're people are doing trailer tours, so you have to hide your stuff somewhere.
Yeah.
And then there you have a modern fridge.
Came with it. Yeah. So the lady that had it before had this. She also had a 2-burner, but I don't cook very much, so I just took it out because I like the boomerang, and I wanted more counter space. And
I took my stove burners out, and I use an electric skillet.
What I use is this chef burner, and then I have a tea kettle for coffee. And I didn't even want a microwave, actually. Let me see if I got this right. Oh, wrong way.
Oh, I just bought one of these.
Yeah, so you can use this inside or outside. So
I thought you could only use it outside.
No, you can use it inside because it's for chefs too.
Oh, on mine it says to only use inside. Mine is a gas one. It's a different brand.
So is mine.
Okay.
But it's a chef master, and yeah. Yeah, so chefs are doing like I don't know, whatever.
I thought this was a tile in the counter space, but it's a napkin.
No, I'm starting to do my.
Look at this teeny tiny little flower.
Yeah, everybody got those this week, but
You can see how big that is.
Paint dragonflies in here. I just got 2 done, and this I picked up on a trip.
Yeah, so. I thought it was an insert in the countertop, and up here you have a little exhaust fan. So
yes, yeah.
All right. Well, thank you, Mary.
Well, you're welcome.
Do you know how much your camper weighs?
I think it weighs between 3,000 and 3,500. I should know exactly, but I've had it for so long now I forget.
Okay.
It is lighter than an Airstream, same size.
All right. I like the size.
That much I know.
I like the size. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. Check out all my other ones, and we'll see you on the next video.
Bye-bye.
Stay tuned for pictures. Bye.